The StemQuest is essentially a graduation from video game.
I would have absolutely loved to have a program like this when I was a kid.
I never experienced the kind of stuff that these kids get to do.
We're not going to be careful here. We're going to be safe, but we're going to break things.
It's really fun and you can learn to work with a team here.
Here at StemQuest, we don't really have, a failure.
A big part of STEM is testing your ideas and your innovations to see how they work.
The StemQuest is nothing like I've seen before.
You get to do stuff like outside with friends and other people instead of just staring at a screen for the entire day.
An important part of winning and success is to have some failures so that we can go through the full engineering process and make our products the best that we possibly can.
I would recommend it for girls my age because it's very fun and you get to do things that are high-tech.
StemQuest is definitely a program that builds up self-esteem and confidence because it allows kids to problem solve together and then show off their accomplishments to the bigger group.
Innately, these kids will come together, realize their strengths, and then whether you're the gamer, the athlete, the tinkerer, the scientist, doesn't matter your background coming in. Coming out, you're all part of StemQuest, and that's the excitement of it all.